Hi, this is Spencer from Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. Behind me, a very unique, very special vehicle. This is a 2018 GLE63 AMG. Our last 2018 model. This is a brand new car. This being our 63S model. This has 561 horsepower, 577 pound-feet of torque. A beautiful vehicle. And you come along here, you can see this aggressive front end, these big wheels, LED headlights up front. Premium 3 includes your Distronic radar guided cruise control. Very aggressive front end, very sporty, very mean. As we come along here, beautiful forged cross-spoke AMG wheels, red brake calipers, that black on black, again, gives it a very stealth, very aggressive, very sport look. On the back here are wraparound LED taillights, AMG and GLE63S badging, dual tip exhaust on the bottom delivers an aggressive, very sharp, very throttly, very deep exhaust note there. Absolutely beautiful. Now as we take a look at the inside of the car, you'll see a black leather interior. We have white contrast stitching, gives it a nice kind of modern look. Carbon fiber throughout the vehicle just continues that sport styling. And as we move forward to the driver and passenger seat, you see a lot more of that carbon fiber. Beautiful AMG dynamic suede steering wheel. A lot of great options, a lot of great features in the vehicle as well. So many things that make this car very unique. Let's hop in, take a closer look. Inside the GLE63S interior, we can take a closer look here at the dashboard and just how beautifully designed and the sport styling here that comes into play. So you'll see, we'll start with our steering wheel, beautiful dynamic suede leather, and then we can see our silver notcher at the top matches the silver seat belts on the vehicle. That white contrast stitching coming into play as well, all kind of forming together to create a great environment. Beautiful carbon fiber throughout the front dash and on your doors. A lot of great features, a lot of great technology in the vehicle as well. So upgraded parking systems include a 360 camera. You can see our front view on the system there. Full Parktronic system, driver assistance, which is Distronic radar guided cruise control, lane and steering assist. This is a completely loaded vehicle. And as we come down here to our center console, you'll see here our adjustable suspension, Sport and Sport Plus driving modes. So what this does is it changes not only the suspension and engine, but the throttle and exhaust note as well. Car creates a very loud, very aggressive noise when in Sport Plus, but becomes a calm, drivable daily driving car when you are in comfort. Heated and ventilated seats just create a more comfortable environment. Dual zone climate control, but of course this is an AMG car, so that four-wheel drive, all 577 horsepower available at all four wheels, makes this a perfect daily driver, year-round exotic supercar SUV, which is exactly what AMG is so brilliantly done here with this vehicle. So I'm happy to answer any questions you have about this model. This car is ready for immediate sale and delivery anywhere in the continental United States. We ship cars to clients all over the country. You can call me directly on my cell phone, 207-210-4796, or I'm available via email. My email is sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.